clase. I'm going to show you here in this brief video how to log into SpanishInAtlanta.com and access your online quizzes. Go to SpanishInAtlanta.com. Then click on the yellow login button right on the right-hand corner. When you do, just input your username and your password. If you want to, you can click on Remember Me so that you don't have to do this the next time. Once you do that, click on the login button and wait to be redirected to your profile page. This is your profile page. Scroll down a little bit and you're gonna click on the course that you signed up for. Now on my profile page, I have 3 courses, but obviously you're just gonna probably have 1. So I'm gonna click on this September 16th class, click on that link, and I'm just gonna wait to be taken to my online quizzes page. Okay, so now you're just gonna scroll down a little bit and there you have it. Here's week 1, 2, 3, etc. You can log in each week to see what quizzes and what video tutorials are available. If you have any questions or need additional help, please contact me. You can text, call, or email me, but it's pretty straightforward. Just click on the lecture, the video, or the online quiz, and then just get started. Bueno, clase, that's it. I hope that this video helps. Ciao, ciao.